Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Lord Reezy back at it again, but this time I'm doing a quick tutorial showing you how you can get a new hard drive or new SSD allocated onto your PC, because this is my first ever PC build and I just added my second SSD and I was like, it's not popping up, what the heck. So I did a little YouTubing and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So I YouTubed it, ended up finding MD Tech videos on YouTube, shout out to them. Made an older video, so I'm doing an updated one. But when I searched up something, this is all you have to do: look up disk management. It popped up for me automatically. So you look up disk management, and right here, as you see, it'll do like create and format hard disk partitions. You can just click that or continue typing disk management. It pops up. It automatically asks you, if you're lucky enough, initialize disk. It says disk 1 right there. GPT is automatically selected versus MBR. Master boot record is something older. I'm not sure what the big difference is. I did Google it and it says most PCs use the GUID partition table GPT disk type for hard drives and SSDs. GPT is a more robust and allows for volumes bigger than 2 terabyte. The older master reboot MBR disk is used for 32-bit PCs, older PCs, and removable drives such as memory cards. You don't usually have to worry about partition style. I don't read very often, so as you see, it took me a minute to just finish that. But yeah, that's really all you have to do. Continue through. GPT clearly is the more superior, just like me. I'm the more superior YouTuber. You should follow me, clearly, duh. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK, and then you see over here, click properties, go to details, disk drive, boom boom boom. Where is it? Convert to, no, that's it. I think that's it. I think we're good. So it was already selected. Let me go to my disk drives, see if I have something new. Refresh. It's not there. Looks like I gotta finish the video.
Type is set to NTFS, selecting that one, and you right click on it, and then I'm gonna left click on new simple
volume. Let's see what that does. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish exactly what I was doing, because I guess it didn't know new simple volume. Next, sample size should already be the correct proper size, right? I don't know. Then this is where you assign it. It says E. I'm just gonna go ahead and let them do their thing, because we got C, D, E. E is a pretty cool one. That's like solid, right? E for elephant. Let me make sure this is exactly what this dude did.
Above a wizard, you want to make sure different drive letters. You want to make sure the file system type is set to E drive. But
hey, that's it. That's all it does.
Definitely do not
want the other ones. I don't know why. I think it's already perform a quick format.
Want it to be a fat. I'm gonna say, and that's gonna be my name of what it's gonna be called. And you want to make sure it says perform a quick format.
I don't know. I guess I'm just not gonna name mine because I'm a gangster, and that's really it. That's all I really have to do. Shout out to MD Tech videos. I basically just followed your video because I was unsure of what to do with mine. New volume. We can do big natty daddy 2 TB, something like that. I guess that's gonna be it. Natty Daddy 2 TB. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I thought it was gonna be a faster video, but clearly I was unsure of this. And just to make sure that it is allocated. Oh wow, Daddy, look at all that space. All right, thank you guys. Hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for everything. I love you.